Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. A lot has been going on in my life, and one of them being my 30th birthday. My friends and I went to the dock at Kingston foreshore to celebrate. We had this refreshing jug of sangria and they gave me a portable photo printer which I loved so much. The day after, my family and I went to Jervis Bay. We made a stop at Tainjara Falls, which was about 30 minutes away from Jervis Bay. I bought a drone a couple of weeks ago as a gift to myself, and this was the first time I got it up in the air in an area that was unfamiliar. I was a bit nervous because the wind was blowing really strong, but it held up. We met up with my aunts at the Airbnb that was just a 2-minute walk to Orion Beach. This beach was pretty much empty. Every time we went there were only 5 other people around. I like this beach a lot. The water's calm, unlike all the other ones in Sydney that we have been in, so I can swim and enjoy myself without the fear of being slapped in the face by a wave that's taller than me. Of course, whenever I'm with my aunts, I always get treated to some good food. They spoiled me with all my favorite Filipino food like lumpia, spaghetti, and pancit for long life.
Resibo. No, if you don't like the color or the size, like for winter.
As you have seen on the first few clips, yes, I crashed my new drone. As you can see here, I was being an irresponsible and lazy drone owner, sitting under the shade instead of looking after my drone and making sure it doesn't crash. I was looking at where my drone's camera was pointing at, but I couldn't really see its surroundings. It hit one branch and just kept going. I was so sure I wouldn't be able to get it off the tree, but fortunately the branches gave in and the drone came tumbling down onto the sand. So this is the aftermath of the drone crashing into the tree. doesn't want to focus at the moment, but I will be posting a close-up photo of the broken propeller. Other than that, it is working. Like, nothing happened really. But I gotta be careful and make sure that I am looking where I'm flying, as I should. So I'm gonna try and turn it on, see if it actually is, 100%. Yep. Here are some more responsible shots that I took while we were at the beach. On our last night, I decided to sleep on a couch outside, which sounds crazy. It was breezy, the couch felt comfortable, and I could hear the sound of the waves crashing onto the shore. Now that I'm 30, I think it's time to make plans and decide where I want my life to go. It's not that I didn't have any plans, I did, but I don't have any solid trails to get there. I will be investing on a way to improve my career, my health, and plan out where I want my money to go. You might ask, why are you only doing this now? And to be honest, I do not have a good answer to that. But as they say, it's never too late. As long as you decide to start, have a clear view of where you want to be years from now, and keep working towards those goals. That's it for now, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.